Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of changing your country in the Adidas app. Whether you're relocating or want to access region-specific content, this tutorial will help you make the necessary adjustments. First, open the Adidas app on your mobile device. Next, tap on your profile icon located at the top right. Then, click on the settings icon. After that, scroll down until you find the country and language option and tap on it. Now, you'll see your current country displayed. Tap on it to view a list of available countries. Then, select the country you wish to switch to from the list and tap on Continue at the bottom of the screen. Next, choose your preferred language from the list provided. Finally, click on Save, and the app will restart to apply the changes. Your country and language settings are now updated, allowing you to access region-specific products and offers. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, give it a thumbs up, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.